How to do a FACEIT Selfie Re-check for verification. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search FACEIT.com and log into your account. After you're logged into your account, click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on your profile at the top right, here simply scroll down and you will find FACEIT Verified. Click on FACEIT Verified. And if your account is flagged for a selfie recheck, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Start Recheck at the bottom, and it will give you a QR code. Scan this QR code from your phone. After you've scanned the QR code in your phone, you'll find this kind of screen here. Do your selfie recheck. Position your head in the middle of the circle. After you do that, it will review it, and you will also have 5 attempts. Wait for the system to match the new selfie with your original. If the match succeeds, your verified status continues. And if the match fails or you're rejected, you may need to contact FACEIT support as well. And this is how to do a FACEIT Selfie Recheck for verification. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.